So the question is, what's going on in South Florida with the hurricane? Right here you can see on the roads there's some trees down. And even in the canals you can see some swirls. Let me turn off the wipers. In the canals there's some swirls, nothing major. But we do get some occasional rain coming down quickly. So I'll just take you through this together, and you can see for yourself. We're entering Homestead Bayfront Park towards the end of the video. You'll get to see the ocean side of Biscayne Bay. And with that said, you'll see what's happening right now. You can see the tides are also high, although there is not water running over the roads. But you can see, there it focuses, you can see it creeping up already. As it continues to rise, at some point the road will be underwater. Let's see here. Enter the marina area. No trees down, which is good. So far, just a little light rain. Just a little light rain. See the marina side. That's probably one of the biggest concerns today will be making sure that all the boats are at float. As you can imagine, always an area of concern. See, we're straight down our docks. Trees. And throughout the day, boaters will come out and check their boats, which is what they should do. Make sure everything is in a safe place. Now you start seeing a little bit more. Again, at this moment in time of how everything is. You can see Towboat US is on, ready to go in case of an emergency. Everything seems to be fairly calm at this moment. Fairly calm. Of course, we all know that changes rapidly. Got seabirds agree. We're having a good old time. Okay, guys. Like I said, Towboat US is on alert in case they have to go and pull any boats out. We do have some areas where there's already some flooding, as you can see. course, that's going to be typical. See some of it back here as well. So like I said, some of you might be wondering what's going on out here. And this is a little glimpse of right now what's happening. You can see our flag. It's moving. And I might be able to get you a little something of what's happening in the ocean side. So bear with me because we're doing this all together. So I'm back here. I didn't want to bore you with me getting off the car, but now you start getting more into the nitty-gritty of the ocean side. Rapidly everything changes. I don't know if the wind's gonna be a factor in the sound, of course, but we're here right now. See what's happening. It's kind of what we expect throughout the day. Lots of wind. And you can see that ocean side, it's blowing. Try to get close up as much as possible. But if you can see in the distance, she is blowing. Yeah, not good, guys. Yeah.
That we can eat for lunch if the playa opens. If now we're like, nah, I don't think they're gonna open, but.
He told me he was going to open, but I don't think that's gonna happen.
Yeah, but we have two barracudas there that Justo gave us.
Okay. I'm listening.
They haven't caught the redfish out of there yet? What redfish? There's a redfish in there. I got that up now.
Nada, aquí un videito corto. Mucha agua, ¿qué te puedo decir? Mucha agua. What's up, my brother? I don't know why you're doing it, but you're doing it. Mira, Pachi, para que veas en vivo, yo sé que tú tienes tu cámara, pero mucha agua, ¿no? Lo que se espera, ¿no? Lo normal. Aquí tu área bajo agua, pero lo normal, ¿no? Hasta ahora lo normal. Lo único que me preocupa un poquito la bocina, estas partes quizás se hubieran podido cubiertas un poco, o quizás luego, si tú quieres, yo le pongo una bolsa, pero eso te lo dejo a que tú me digas. El stage lleno de agua. Pero fuera de eso, todo se ve bastante normal para lo que está pasando. Driving neighbor. See the back of the building here. You can really see that wind running. Couple of good gusts. You can see the water coming in from the ocean side.